video Wednesday, July 28th, and I wanted to make a very brief, short video kind of breaking down what's next for HCMC after, the update that we got in the patent infringement lawsuit case against Philip Morris. Now, if you didn't know, on Monday I made a video kind of explaining what specifically happened. Basically, Philip Morris filed a motion to dismiss, and the judge of the case granted that motion. Now, a lot of people are kind of, I guess, confused about what's next for HCMC, if this is good, bad, and what it really means for, I guess, shareholders. So basically, what HCMC has to do, according to the judge, is it will be first required to file a motion for leave to file a further amended complaint, and the motion must attach the proposed amended pleading. So basically, what this is, according to U.S. legal definitions, it says generally amendments of any proceeding, pleading, or record are allowed at any time to furtherance of justice upon such terms as may be just. A plaintiff can file a motion to amend the complaint, and the defendant can file a response to the same. The court, after the hearing the motion, can allow or disallow the amendment. If allowed, the court gives an order granting leave to amend the complaint. In some cases, when the original complaint has some material deficiencies, the court can permit the plaintiff to file an amended complaint within a subscribed time period. So essentially, and this is just my opinion and my thoughts on what's going on here. So I think, in my opinion, the judge on this case granted the motion to dismiss, but is asking HCMC to essentially file an amended complaint. So he's basically saying that the lawsuit that they first filed wasn't really detailed enough. It didn't have enough information. It didn't have enough facts for the judge to make a solidified decision on whether or not it should be moved to discovery and moved on to the next phase of the trial, the main part of the case. So I think the judge is essentially allowing, and I think this is beneficial to HCMC, the judge is essentially giving HCMC the chance to come back with a better, stronger case. This is just, the basis of it. Come back with a better, stronger case, more exhibitions, whatever they need to come back with, present it to the court, and then, allow the court to decide what's next. Because I think for HCMC and the patent infringement lawsuit case against Philip Morris, the judge probably assumed that if he, say, for instance, in that time period before the first motion to dismiss was filed by Philip Morris, he goes ahead and doesn't grant that, then another motion to dismiss would have been filed by Philip Morris, right? So he's basically trying to save time. It makes sense, in these judicial proceedings that these things do happen. And I definitely don't think this is any way, I mentioned this in my other video, I don't really think in any way this is, negatively impacting HCMC's chances to potentially win a lawsuit or potentially get a settlement from Philip Morris. And we can see here by the news release that was released by Healthier Choices Management Corp. They provided an update. This came out 2 days ago, but you can see here basically summing up what happened. HCMC's today announced July 23rd that the District Court of Northern District of Georgia granted Philip Morris and Philip Morris Products motion to dismiss HCMC's patent infringement action against them. HCMC has 14 days to file a motion for leave to file a further amended complaint, which HCMC intends to do by said deadline. So HCMC is planning to obviously file that motion for leave to file a further amended complaint. And I definitely think this is just another step in the process. I definitely don't think anything, any way, shape, or form does this say there's no chance of, the lawsuit's done or whatever. Definitely think just another step in the process, and something that kind of, just like a judicial process, a judicial step that needed to happen for this to just kind of move quicker and kind of move more efficiently as the lawsuit and the trial does continue to move forward. So we will get another update, like I said, in the next 14 days. So probably within the next week or so, because it's already been a significant amount of days. Within the next week, we should get a significant update from HCMC in regards to this motion to file leave for a further amended complaint. So I just really wanted to break that down for you guys because I think there was a lot of confusion. Definitely nothing to be worried about, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but definitely something that I think is not going to affect the long-term outcome of this infringement lawsuit. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.